Welcome back to Sui Crypto. Today we're going to talk about Sui Name Service, SuiNS. We're going to go through the process of minting one on their site, SuiNS.io. Please note that nothing I say is financial advice. This is for education and entertainment purposes only. So as the Sui ecosystem continues to gain momentum, now is the time for me personally to go ahead and secure my Web3 identity, which is Sui, right? I have a website, Sui.com, and I also have this YouTube channel I'm building. So it only makes sense for me to go ahead and secure the domain name Sui.sui in case this does continue to grow, which I feel like it has a good chance of doing, as Sui is really the blockchain that is focused on bridging Web 2 with Web 3. And there's a lot of interesting things you can do with a .sui domain name right now, and there'll be more, I think, in the future. Especially if we scroll down, you'll see it's open source, so that means third-party developers can add on to it. Missing Labs is the team behind Sui Name Service, and Missing Labs is really the main team behind Sui blockchain in general. You can use your .sui domain name all throughout the ecosystem. So dive into this information, the frequently asked questions on their website. They are dropping a token. The NS token has not been released yet. There is an airdrop for early .sui domain name holders. Snapshot's already been taken. They have airdropped a soulbound NFT into the wallets of those that have qualified. Even with the snapshot already taken for the airdrop, they have hinted in their Discord, which I highly recommend you jumping into the Sui Name Service Discord to learn more about it, that there will be future benefits for holding a .sui domain name. If the Sui blockchain in general accomplishes their mission of kind of bridging Web 2 with Web 3, it'd be a good idea to have one. That's the way I'm thinking about it. Sui Name Service supports username standards common across the web. Interacting on-chain just got a whole lot easier. Getting a Sui domain name can define your on-chain identity, so brandability, right? And send and receive, it's a lot easier to send to, at Dappy or at Tom or at Stoy than to send to a long string, right, of a wallet address of numbers and letters. One other thing I'll point out is obviously when you mint a domain name, which we're going to do here in a second, you can renew it every year, keep it forever. You can sell it on Marketplace, which I'll show you in a second, or give it to somebody. If a name that you're looking for is already taken, you can go check out TradePort, which is a top marketplace for Sui NFTs, and then go to the SuiNS collection, and you can see that there are a lot available. The floor price is pretty low. So again, if you remember, if you're in ENS names on Ethereum a couple of years ago, that market got really hot during the bull run. I'm not saying that's going to happen with Sui domain names or that it won't. Crypto's all about trying to go where you think the puck's going to go instead of where it's at, and so it might be something to look at. So definitely go to TradePort if you're interested in sniping some SuiNS names on secondary market. Again, similar to ENS, they have it sorted by category. Obviously the sub 1000 are going to be more expensive, so 423.sui is the floor, right, at 360 sui, and you can see there's not a ton of these available actually listed. So if you take a look at sales, right, one sold just 2 hours ago for 330 sui, so 265.sui sold for 330. Let's see, yesterday 177.sui sold for 375. So there is a market for these. The Sui NFT market in general is something to keep an eye on. TradePort is the marketplace to go to, because if it follows what we've seen with Sui meme coins, which again, check out my video on Blub, we're seeing meme coins go crazy right now on Sui, and if NFTs follow, then it's a good idea probably to check this stuff out. TradePort is where you can buy Sui Name Service domains on secondary, and so yeah, there's a lot of good opportunity to snipe stuff out here. If this is of interest to you, I'll link to this in the video description below. Okay, so let's go through the process of actually minting a domain name. First thing I'm going to do, go to SuiNS.io. I'm going to connect to my wallet. I'm going to read through this, click accept, and I'm going to connect my Sui wallet. Go ahead and connect. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and search for the domain name I want. Again, in this case, I want STOUY. I have Stoi.com, building a website out there. Please check that out. I have Stoi Crypto. So I want to try to secure this one as well, Stoi.sui. Looks like it's available, which is great. So you can see it's available for 20 sui. So anything 5 characters and up, I believe, is 20 sui. Anything less than that, like 4, I believe jumps all the way up to 100. So take that into account. This is for minting new names, it's going to be 20. If you want to just snipe existing names that have already been minted, then go to TradePort. You get them for a lot cheaper. You will find some very interesting names for less than a sui. So this is a great spot to look, right? If you just want to snipe good names, go to TradePort. If you have a specific brand identity that you want to preserve, then this is the way to do it. You're going to want to mint it. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and click on buy. Registration period is 1 year. Cost is 20 sui. If you have a promo code, enter enter it here. I would check out Discord, see if you can figure out how you get a discount code, and then select an eligible NFT collection. So I believe that if somehow you have like a ENS name or a Solana domain name in your wallet, it's going to recognize that and give you a discount. I don't have that at the moment. I'm going to pay the full amount, 20 Sui. So we're registering at Sui, and we're going to set it as default. What does that mean? Setting to default will link your wallet address to this name. That's what I want. So I want this wallet. Let's open this up, the Sui wallet, which has 24 Sui in it right now. I want this wallet address is going to be, instead of having to copy this long, string of numbers here and letters, it's just going to be @Sui, which is really nice, right? Super easy. Somebody wants to send me some Sui, that's how you do it, @Sui, and it'll go to this wallet address. So you're going to want to probably leave that set as default so it links your name to your wallet address. All right, so registration expires 1 year from today, and so I'm going to go ahead and register the name. Sui wallet will open up. Cost me that much Sui. And I'm going to go ahead and approve it. Registered successfully. Please wait a moment. You'll be redirected to your account dashboard. Okay, so we have this NFT, right? We've minted @Sui. So let's go ahead and click on this. So you can also create subnames. So let me click on that once. So you can create as many subnames as you want under @Sui, each with its own profile page and features. So that's interesting. So like you could say Adam @Sui.Sui. You could create like Ryan @Sui.Sui. So similar to like an email address, I guess. So you can create as many of those as you want. So that's also nice for building out a brand, right? So right now it's just me building this website and YouTube channel, but if I eventually ever have more people working with me, it'd be nice to go ahead and create a subname @Sui, right? Ryan @Sui, bring Ryan on, we bring on Jessica, and so on. You get the idea. So you can create as many of these as you want. So that's another benefit of having a .Sui domain name. So right now we have Sui, and we'll leave it at that for now. So if we click on Sui ID, you can see @Sui right here, right? So that's my wallet. Right, so if we open up OX639D, right, and then what does it end in? 729, D729, right? This is linked up with this. So now if somebody wants to send Sui or an NFT or any Sui ecosystem token, you just send it to @Sui. Don't have to remember this. So that's a huge benefit of using a name service @Sui. So let's take a look here quick again. So you can use an NFT that you own to personalize the avatar if you want to. That's kind of cool. Link to IPFS website. Let's check this out. So I'll have to do some more research on IPFS, but I believe it's like a decentralized website. So instead of building your site on a centralized server, you can build it on the IPFS file sharing protocol. So basically it'd be like a decentralized website hosting, I guess. And that's what this is for, I believe. Could be wrong, I'll do some more research. And if anybody has a lot of knowledge on IPFS sites, please leave a comment below and I'll look more into it and maybe do another tutorial on that. But this is pretty cool. Obviously here, renew the name and then view all info. You can see here's the owner, linked wallet address, object ID, IPFS website not set, and there's the expiration date. So pretty simple. That's how you mint a .Sui domain name. So hopefully this was helpful. I encourage you to go to their Twitter page and learn more about Sui Name Service. Please leave a like and consider subscribing for more crypto tutorials. See you in the next one.